Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video we're going to take a look at event binding and passing data with event binding. Handling events such as clicks, keyboard presses, mouse moves, change events, or any other DOM event are done through event binding in Angular. The syntax for event binding is parentheses, and in between them we have the event target, and then that equals to the template statement. A template statement responds to an event raised by a binding target, such as an element, component, or a directive. We can go ahead and take a look at an example now of how event binding is done in Angular. I have a button here, and for our event target we're using the click event, and that equals to alert something template statement, and we have a method for that in our component. Alternatively, you can use what is known as the canonical form of writing, which in this case would be with the on prefix before the click. So it will look something like on-click, and then you have the template statement. The canonical syntax does not only apply for event binding, but also for other type of bindings as well. And it is not wrong if you use this method, but I like to stick with the shorter syntax with the parentheses. Now back to our example. If we throw an alert in our method and we run our application, we can see that the click event works and we get the alert pop-up. When it comes to passing data in your event binding, it's pretty simple. You do that by passing your data in the template statement. In our case, it's in between the alert something parentheses. So I'm going to pass here the template event object, and we're going to console log that. So after the event is being fired, you can see the logged event. So to end this video, I like to show you what happens if you have a component name that's the same as a template context name. I'm going to go ahead and create a component property with action, and I'm going to assign this is the component's action string to it, and I'm going to create an array of actions, and I'm going to pass in a few strings there like send, delete, and confirm. And in our template you can see that I'm looping through our actions array and I'm printing action. Now when we run this, you can see that the component property of action is not being rendered, and that is because template context names take precedence over component context names. That's it for this one, guys. Hope you learned something new. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.